The GDHXW G12-PRO Airless paint sprayer kit is designed to cater to the needs of both professional and hobbyist painters, offering versatility for various projects. This sprayer gun provides outstanding atomization, ensuring a smooth and even finish with its high-pressure capability of 3,600 pounds per square inch. The full four-finger trigger is engineered for comfort and control, reducing fatigue during prolonged use, thanks to its thoughtfully designed spray holder. Constructed with a special nylon structure, the internal pipeline minimizes fluid resistance and resists aging, enhancing its durability and longevity. The paint hose is crafted with a polyester braided wire and a polyurethane outer layer, making it lightweight yet robust, capable of withstanding a maximum pressure of 8,500 pounds per square inch. It is compatible with renowned brands like Graco, Titan, and Wagner, making it a versatile addition to any painter's toolkit.